Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we started October in green and we are still in green. So the question is if the market will have its final leg up before dropping lower levels, or this is a real trend reversal. Let's find out. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of internet. And we know that all this is about cryptocurrencies. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. So guys, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research and your financial conditions. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. We see most of the altcoins are in green, especially the Trust wallet token and Uniswap, Link, XRP, CVX, and GMX, Ethereum proof of work, and XCN correcting. Bitcoin is almost at the same levels like yesterday, plus minus 0, and Ethereum is slightly up 1%. And we see just from the top 10, XRP is up 3%. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 26, so not too much happening here. Actually, it's sidewaving for several months now, around 20. So we are still in the extreme fear zone, or 26 is a fear. It's in fear because until 25 we have the level extreme fear. So, but it's almost the same. So guys, let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin accumulation hits 7-year high, flashing 2015 and 2019 bottom signal, according to Quant analyst. Quant is a blockchain analyst firm, and they are saying that over 6 months old Bitcoins now take 74% of the realized cap. It was 70% and 77% at the last bottoms in 2019 and 2015 respectively. Imagine you buy Bitcoins and do nothing over 6 months. You know how hard it is. So if in bear market Bitcoins hold more than 6 months, are held by let's say strong hands, and this is how we see the realized cap UTX, so age band. So this is the price and this is the age band. So we see that most of the Bitcoins then older than 6 months, it's held by, let's say, buyers from the past 2 years. So most of the buyers of the past 2 years, and actually there is no significant lower levels here. Okay, so there is nothing about these levels. Cool. It is not just about Bitcoin supply but realized capitalization. I meant over 6 months of old Bitcoins take 47% of the realized cap, which means over 6 months old unmoved Bitcoins take 74% of market cap in terms of profit and loss realization. So more than 74% of the market cap hasn't moved in the past 6 months, and they are most of the underwater right now, but this is good in overall. Next piece of news is crypto analyst says Bitcoin about to squeeze higher for green October as BTC shows strength against stocks. Who is Kaleo is the analyst, and on the verge of breaking above an 11 months bearish resistance dating back to the all-time high in November of 2021. Squeeze season and the green days of October are nearly upon us. So just Bitcoin should break this downward trending trend line, and now we are very close to break it. Stocks have recovered and absolutely ripped past the June lows. So this is the June lows level for stocks, and the S&P 500, it ripped below, so dipped below the June lows and now recovering from there. I still enjoy looking at macro comparison of Bitcoin versus leaders across all markets. BTC versus Apple is a fun one. The chart is defined by high time frame bearish trends, subsequently followed by seasons of extreme outperformance by BTC. We are on the verge of another breakout. So this is the Bitcoin Apple chart, and you see we have these huge run-ups, corrections, dips, correction, dips, and correction, dips, and probably a breakout soon. And that means that Bitcoin outperformed Apple that time. Next piece of news is Bitcoin supply on exchanges falls to lowest point in 4 years, further reducing massive sell-off risk. So guys, when people pulling out Bitcoins from exchanges, the sell pressure is also going lower. Bitcoin continues to see its supply moving away from exchanges as traders show further signs of being content with their current holdings, with less than 9% of BTC on exchanges for the first time since 2018. It is a good vote of confidence for bulls. Yes. So this is the chart. BTC on exchanges falls below 9% for first time since November 2018. The current ratio was last seen in November of 2018 when BTC was trading between 4,000 and 6,000 following a fall from the lofty 19,000 US dollar. BTC accumulation level reached a 7-year high. Over 6 months old Bitcoins now take 74% on the realized cap. It was 70 and 77. Okay, we already talked about that in the previous news. Let's go and check out our next news. If history repeats, Bitcoin can surge to this level by mid-October. What is this level? Let's say that was a small trading range yesterday, and Bitcoin went back to about 20,000 US dollar. Okay, sell-offs on the way. Willy Woo says that this is one way of visualizing maximum pain. Then the sell-off could come. The price of Bitcoin has, however, recovered of the 19,000 level despite the fact that it's still trading in a wide range and buyers are attempting to size the initiative. The mid-October, if the trend keeps up, another upward movement should be anticipated, according to Willy Woo. And he stated that the market structure is very different today than in the past. Okay, cool. Let's go and check our next news. Bitcoin still has 14,000 target, warns trader as DXY due parabola break. Okay, let's continue. Cointelegram. Why do we have this here? Oh, they reposted. Okay. 21,000 upside target to precede new lows. BTC still in a congestion range. The retest of technical resistance at the 50-day moving average was rejected. Now I want to see a retest of support at the 2017 top. Bulls may be losing momentum, but placed a buy wall at 20,000 US dollar to hold price up. So there is a kind of buy wall. Crypto Capo says that local top is not in yet, in my opinion, but is very close. 20,500 and 21,000 hasn't been touched, and there is no longer time frame distribution. Expecting the last leg up soon, then a lower time frame bearish signs and reversal to the new lows at 14,000 to 16,000 US dollar. This area fails, we could see a break in the dollar's parabolic ascent and perhaps much longer sustained. This is about the DXY. If the Polabora fails, then we will see a nice push-ups. Mark Cuban says he is really bullish on crypto, compares industry evolution to early days of internet. Okay. He says that with crypto it's very analogous to that. We are in the early hustle phases, not the very earliest of crypto. However, you want to decide the beginning with Bitcoin or whatever has been around 12 years, but in terms of applications with smart contracts, that's only 2017 for the most part. And so we are really on only 5 years in. So I'm still really bullish on crypto. We had some early wins, just like streaming audio with sports and news. Now with crypto you have DeFi, Decentralized Finance, and you have money transfer and some other applications, but you haven't had any mainstream applications where your mom says, okay, we have got to get a wallet because I have to do A, B, or C. It's been DeFi, NFTs, and money transfers. And so it's kind of boring right now. We are waiting for that next round of applications, and there is a lot of people working on them. The billionaire says he's looking to make investments in crypto projects that will take the sector mainstream. Cool. He's a big investor also in Polygon, in Injective Protocol, and in other several projects. Next, Robert Kiyosaki calls Bitcoin a buying opportunity as US dollar surges. Let's say he tweeted, buying opportunity: if Fed continues raising interest rates, US dollar will get stronger, causing gold, silver, Bitcoin prices to go lower. Buy more. When Fed pivots and drops interest rates, as England just did, you will smile while others cry. Take care. So will the US dollar follow English pound sterling? I believe it will. I believe US dollar will crash by January 2023 after Fed pivots. Also, he says that when Fed pivots and drops interest rates, as England just did, you will smile while others cry. Okay, it's not enough to want to get in crypto. Now is the time you need to get in crypto before the biggest economic crash in history. And guys, yes, so Robert Kiyosaki has more than 2.1 million followers on Twitter, so he is influencing the market and educating as well. MasterCard launches new crypto fraud protection tool. That's awesome. I think we already shared this. The idea is that the kind of trust we provide for digital commerce transactions, we want to be able to provide the same kind of trust to digital asset transactions for consumers, banks, and merchants. So this is quite important regarding crypto adoption, because with this, MasterCard is taking seriously that providing crypto payments services, and they are moving from traditional money rails to crypto rails. Next piece of news is Coinbase, very supportive of giving CFTC exclusive jurisdiction over Bitcoin. Coinbase head of US policy Cara Calvert says the exchange is supportive of 2 bills in Congress that would allow the CFTC to take the reins on crypto regulation. So they are supporting that CFTC should take over the crypto regulation, not the SEC. Great things to hear. Maybe they will move faster. Next, XRP price could rally by 50% based off comments from a former SEC director. Okay, Hinman documents to save XRP bulls. He says that XRP, okay, 1/4 some thoughts on the next steps in the quest for the Hinman documents. The SEC has a number of procedural cards they can play to try to further delay complying with the order to produce the Hinman documents. XRP has a mission to save the markets. Not sure, but we'll see. Yeah, so these are some bullish posts about XRP. Resistance and confluence on the chart. If they win, the whole case XRP gigapumps. If they lose, it will be a nice 50% minus candle. Also, an XRP loss would make other cryptos more vulnerable to attack, so you better cheer them up. Yeah. Cool. Next piece of news is breaking news. Binance confirms burning over 5 billion Terra Classic Luna C. Price jumps. So Binance started this burning. They are burning a part of the transactions, and they burn nearly 6 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens by sending them to the burn address. Okay, Luna C reminds me a bit of the SHIB in a sense of how crazy the community was when the first popped on the scene. But utility is the key. And let's see what is the supply, because they burned 5 billion. I think we will get an enormous number. So Lucy is still on the 31st place on the coin market cap, and it has a supply of 5 billion, 6 trillion, almost 7 trillion, 6.8 trillion, 6.8 trillion, and Binance burned 5 billion. So it's not a huge percentage, but also some that they burned. Okay, let's go and check out our next news. Musk deal for Twitter looks set to go with original 44 billion price tag. And yeah, the Twitter appears ready to move forward with the deal for Elon Musk to buy Twitter, announcing in on 4th of October post intends to close the transactions at 54.2 US dollar per share. Buying Twitter is an accelerant to creating X, the everything app. So if Elon Musk ruins Twitter, then we don't have to hear all the stupid things that people say on Twitter anymore. That's a win-win. Okay, so I don't agree, but this is kind of opinion. Next, McDonald's starts to accept Bitcoin and Tether in Swiss town, I think in Lugano. So this is cool. McDonald's accepting Bitcoin and Tether in Lugano for payments. Next piece of news is Samsung Latin America launches House of Sam Metaverse experience in Decentraland. Samsung LATAM, the regional division of the electronic giant, has decided to present its own space in Decentraland and Ethereum-based Metaverse platform. The space, which will be named House of Sam, will allow users to have virtual contact with different products of the brand and play mini games to win Samsung branded rewards for their avatars. Our customers will be able to interact with each other of participants and exclusive shows, courses, and events that we'll offer for free and Decentraland, one of the most democratic and open space in the metaverse. Our goal is to be ever closer to Gen Z, our younger consumers who no longer draw boundaries between what is physical and what is virtual. Cool, sounds pretty amazing and pretty innovative, so congratulations to Samsung. Guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKL on Twitter, and also follow CorionX platform, our DeFi projects, and also follow at laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad projects. So next, hurry up, the trading competition on Bbox is closing tonight. To trade CorionX and earn from the 20,000 US dollar reward pool as much as you can, give a like and share this. Education and appropriate tools are necessary against fraud to protect crypto users. This industry has many potentials, therefore we must to fight against the scams. Great initiative from MasterCard, we already talked about that. Better to adjust stops and trading stop losses on long positions. Last leg up could come and then a reversal to the next lows at 14 and 16,000 US dollar Bitcoin. These games built on Polygon with highest users last 7 days, so check out. Polygon is going crazy in building games, and the Bitcoin price is about 20,000 US dollar again. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment chat. Do you like this bull? Cool. Laser Pangat's NFT launchpad. Yes. Every interaction will be considered as a whitelist. Even follow them and share this. Dystopia World event at Gamerland was great, revealing some hints from their NFT games I went to run. Check the criteria of early access period of Chainlink staking. Yes, so if you're holding the link, then go and check out that how are you eligible for participate in the staking. As the XY correcting, Bitcoin is breaking. Okay. Yes, we are building a unique NFT and Metaverse marketplace. Invest in crypto as you can. Guys, that's it for today. Let's take a look on the charts and let's see what's happening, but we'll see. Now I think it's better to wrapping up because that was a long video, but just take a look on the Bitcoin chart for a minute. So guys, on the daily chart, on the daily Bitcoin chart, you see that we have this huge downward trending trend line. It's coming down since the last all-time high, and also Bitcoin made an attempt a few days ago to break it, and now it seems to be it's breaking. So actually Bitcoin broke this trend line and also closed 2 days above this trend line. So is this a fake out, or this is a clear break and continue to the upside? We'll see. Let's check it on another chart, because you know trend lines are the most important elements in technical analysis. Also, we can draw a trend line from this June consolidations, and then it was also touched in August and in middle of September. And if I'm taking consideration this trend line, then Bitcoin is just sitting on this trend line, so hasn't broke it yet. So that is why we cannot be sure that the trend already reserved. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Please write in the comment section your favorite top 50 altcoins. We will take a look into it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.